Okay, so we are going to talk about how to break apart the number 6 this morning, okay? So we've got 6 circles on our first row. Let's take our red crayon and color all of them red, okay? So you're going to take your red crayon and you're going to color all 6 of them red. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We're going to get all 6 red. Good job, Sarah. That's it, Jocelyn. Good girl, Leah. That's it, Valeria. Good boy, Lily. Good boy, Noah. Take next one. Okay, so we've got 6 circles colored red. So how did we do 6? How many are red? How many are red? How many are red here? 6. 6 and 0. Good job, guys. So we're going to write 6 and 0. When we start our numbers, we start at the top, and we're going to pinch our pencils, okay? So let's write 6 and 0. Good girl. Good job, Leah. Good girl, Sarah. Okay, let's look at our next row. Now what we want to do is we want to do 1 less red. So if we have 6, we're going to take away 1. So how many are we going to color red in this row? 5. So let's color 5 red, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good girl. Okay, so how many red do we have here now? 5. So let's make a 5. Down. Give him a belly. Put on his hat. And how many are white? 1. So let's make a 1. Okay? Because 5 and 1 makes, how many? How many does 5 and 1 make? 6. 5 and 1 make 6. Up here, up here. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing in the next row. We have 5 red. We're going to take 1 away. How many are we going to make red? 4. So let's do 4 red in our next row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's print our numbers. How many are red here? 4. So let's make a 4. Down, across, down some more. That's the way to make a 4. And how many are white? 2. So we're going to make that 2. Because 4 and 2 makes 6. Good job. 4 and 2 makes 6. Okay, so now we're going to take another red one away. So we have 4. We're going to take another one away. How many are we going to color red? 3. 1, 2, 3.
How many did you do?
How many are red? How many are red, Valeria? 3. How many are white, Noah? No, let's count. How many are white? 3. Because 3 and 3 makes 6. 6.
3 and 3. No, 3 and 3, right there. 3. And John, 3. No, 3 and 3. Count. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now we're going to take one more red away. So we have 3. We're going to take one away. How many are we going to color red? 2. 1, 2. 2 in the next row. Color 2 red. Okay, how many are red in this row? 2. How many are white? 4.
Okay, so let's just put here. No.
Make your numbers.
Put here.
2 and 4.
How many are red? No, 2, sweetie. Not a 3. 2. Yeah.
And how many are white, Jocelyn? Count them.
1, 2, 3,
4. Okay, did everybody get that done?
No. I'm only doing half a line. 4. Ready? 2 and 4. Okay, down 1 more.
Okay, now Mrs. Battersby's going to erase because I got to pull my page up, okay? And if I don't erase, then it stays on there and it looks really funny. So I'm going to erase. And I'm going to pull my page up.
Okay.
Oh dear. Went way too far. There we go. Okay. So the last one, how many did we color red? 2. So how many are we going to color red now? 1. We're going to color 1 red. Okay, so 1 red. So we have 1 red. How many are white? How many are white? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1 red. Put the number down. 1 red and 5 white. Okay? Good job. So if we colored 1 red, now how many are we going to color red? None. No circles are red. So what number goes here?
0.
0. 0 are red. How many are white?
5.
Count them.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how many are right?
6.
What do you gotta put here?
Now, when we look at all the red dots, I'm going to borrow Jocelyn's paper here. When we look at all the red dots, what's happening to the red dots? They're getting less. That's exactly right. So let's write down here. What do we notice? We notice that red gets what? What word did we use? Less. Red gets less. Okay, let's write that down. Red gets less. Okay?
Make an order. Upper case one. Red. Make the next letter. What's next? And this is Battersby's word. R. No. We're gonna make an E next. E goes straight. Red gets less. Red letter says D.
Okay, keep going. Gets less. Red gets less.
Red.
Okay. So everybody was able to do that page with us. Okay. I hope at home that you guys have all got that done with me as well. We're going to go on to the next page. We're just going to let everybody get a minute to finish up their printing here, okay? All right. Turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page. Okay, so we are going to turn the page.
Now what are we doing?
Okay, so if we look up here, we can see what number? What number is this? 6. So we're talking about 6. 6 is our whole part, right? Okay? So what are some of the ways we can make 6? 6 and 0. Let's write that down. That's a great way to start. 6 and 0. Let's write those numbers down. 6 and 0. Good job, guys. Okay, now we want to make this number get smaller, and we want to make this number get bigger. So what comes after 6 if we get smaller? 6. We're going to take one away. 6. How many? 5. So we're going to make a 5 here now. Kelly, put on his hat. Okay? Now, we want to make this number get bigger. So what number did we say after 0? After 0 comes the number 1. So make a 1 here. Okay? Good job, guys. Good. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing in the next one. We're going to make 5 get smaller. So how do we do that? 5, we're going to take away 1. How many? How many? 4. Okay. And then we want 1 to get bigger. So what comes after 1? 1, 2. 2. Okay? Now we're going to go down here. We want 4 to get smaller, so we're going to take 1 away. How many does that leave us? 3. 3. And we want 2 to get bigger. So how many do we right here? We want 2 to get bigger. 3. 3 and 3 makes 6. Exactly. 3 and 3 makes 6. 3 and 3 makes 6. Good printing, Kendra Barton. Okay, now we're going to make 3 get smaller.
And
2. 2. And then we're going to make this 3 get bigger. So how many? 4. Okay. Now we want to make this 2 get smaller. 1. And we want to make the 4 get bigger. So how many? 5. Okay. Put on his hat. 1 and 5.
good job. Good job. Good girl.
What beautiful printing I'm seeing here this morning. Okay, so I think at home, what I'm going to ask you guys to do now is just to keep continuing on with the next pages. If you have any questions, send me an email, call the school, and I will get back to you. But I'm confident that now we've gone through our first couple pages that you should be able to complete the rest by yourself. Have a great day. Happy mathing.